What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? Shocks here again. I'm back with a V51S strategy. So we're going to be looking at volatility 51S strategy here and how to understand the M5 and the market structure. If you are someone who has been following this channel for a long time, you know that we are very good with market structure and very good fans of market structure. We understand market structure and we love it. We use it almost on everything. So this is our volatility 51S, and we're going to be looking at the M5 and how you can be trading the M5 and the timing of your trades using market structure and order blocks. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we're going to be starting on the 25th of April this year, right here. So this is 2023, in case you might be watching this video maybe 10 years later, just in case. Okay, so this is what we are doing, right? So remember, we are looking at what this beginning of day, right? So we wait for price to what to pan out to show a clear view of what it's doing. So from what you are seeing here, price did show us after break of this one, after break of this high. So this is what you are looking for. So we would have been looking at this high, right, and this high as our signals or as our indicators of what price is going to do next. So price took out the high instead of the low. So if it had taken out the low, it would mean that we're going to look for sales the whole day, right? But here it took out the high, and as it took out the high, it means we had a decision in the market that was made. So it means volatility 51S had made a decision to go up. So that's what we are doing, and that's what we are following, right? So we would mark this as our order block and wait for price to retest this order block. All right. So if you are someone who is very patient with these things, or let's say if you had missed this, so this you could have maybe taken this trade and taken out, things like that. So this was the biggest, or this was the best retest. Why? Because it retested all the way to the midpoint of the order block, as you can see from this one, from this chart. So after printing this green pin, this was going to be your signal to enter, or your confirmation of entry, and you could have taken this trade. Then as the day continues, you could have also taken this one again, right? Could have also taken this one again. Maybe you could have been taken out by this move, or you could have taken out, you could have re-entered this trade at this particular point and made this one this money. Then we had this again, where we are saying we could have entered this trade at this particular point, and this was another entry point, and this was another entry point. So you see, V51S, it moves like
Introducing Deriv, one-stop shop to trade forex, stocks and indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and derived indices that include but not limited to Volatility 75, V100, boom and crash indices, and many more. And to top it off, you can trade 24/7. Weekends are for trading. Deriv is one of the biggest online brokers in the world that offers the following: synthetics, CFDs, multipliers, options. To millions of consumers who have registered all across the world, we provide CFDs and other derivatives on currency, stocks and indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and derived. Simple, flexible, reliable. Pick from 8 effective platforms that were each created with your needs in mind. To benefit and be part of this, go to ShocksCapital.com and click Start Trading, or click the links in the description and pinned comments.
It moves in a typical market structure scheme, right? It doesn't move like straight away like what V100 does, like what the boom does, or a V75 one is. This is more like it's more like structured in its moves. So number one, we have this break of structure here, and this being our order block. We could have taken this trade up until to that point, and you could have also considered this as our order block and taken this trade again. And as we go, we could have used this again as our order block, taken this trade, and you could have taken this again as our order blocks, and took those trades, as you can see. So this is more like how you are going to approach V51s when you decide to trade V51s alone, right? So we have break of structure at this particular point, and as you can see, we have this particular order block that is ticking out, and this could have been your trade, and you could have entered here. Remember, one confirmation, so we are not going to look for sniper entries. One confirmation, so you could have entered here and took your profits here after this move, or you could have been taken out at break even, right? And this was another opportunity for you to get involved and ride the whole trend for the whole day, right? So this is how you were going to be looking at this, and these are other order blocks that could have given you some more opportunities for you to enter, and this was another one, right? So this is what you are doing, right? So here price changes directions, right? By taking out this one, by taking out this high, what does it do? It left an order block right here that you could have taken advantage of and rode this trend again as you were going up, and you could have also taken this as your order block and went up like that. So this is what you are doing. You're not doing anything that bores you, right? You're just following trend. Or actually, this thing should be boring. If it's not yet boring to you, you are doing the wrong thing. It should be boring. Why? Because it should be repeated. It should be repeated over and over and over and over again. So this is what you're doing. So you're just following price every day, doing the same thing and expecting the same results. So this is what you're doing, and you're just following your price. You're just following your price, right? This is how you are looking at this thing, right? And this could have been your order block, and this was your trade. And after this, you could clearly see that price took out this high, as you can see here, took out that high, and this being your order block, you could have taken this trade up to the top, right? And you could have okay, you can also use flip zones, like in this case, right, where you are having price breaking a high and retesting, but we want order blocks, right? Let's be stubborn like that and look for things that we want, right? So you'll be looking for this again. So this is your OB and this is your trade, and as you enter here, your stop loss goes below there, and you continue or going like that. You could have also considered this. So you're just following price, nothing much, nothing less, right? Consider this as your trade. This is how you're looking at this, and this is how you are going. So break of structure and everything. So guys, I have posted this on my shorts page, like on this YouTube channel. I've posted my actual trading activity, and some of you guys were telling me it's fake, but okay, it's fine. If it's fake, then it's fine. But well, I've shown you how to actually do this, how to actually follow market structure like I'm doing here. Because a lot of you guys were complaining that I'm just showing you hindsight, I don't know how it looks in real time and things like that, I don't know how to trade it and things like that, but I have shown you, and some of you have chosen to discredit it as fake. But it's fine. If it's fake, then it's fine. If it's not working, then it's also fine. But if you go back to your charts and try to look for these things, I guarantee you will find these things, and you will be happy with yourself if you do. And this is what you're doing. So this is actually a buy that you can take now, but you might be seeing this video after the 1st of May, and you might not be able to be taking this, but if you had seen it right now with me, you could have taken it. So I'll see if I take it or not, but this is a very good trade, and we are looking at this one going this way, and maybe this is our first port of call, this is our first take profit, and if it doesn't, we are also going to go for what, for this one. So we'll see how it pans out, but this is a very good setup that you are seeing in real time. And guys, it's been a pleasure having you here today again. I'll see you in the next video, right? I'll see you in the next video. Trade what you see, not what you believe. Shocks out.